have to execute them side by side, right? You don't have to execute them consecutively. You can just do the underhand one and use that as a transition into anything you want, right? I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying, like, you don't have to know the other half. Yeah, so yeah, just release it as you go, and then keep threading, and then pinch it between your thumb. Yeah. So when you're going in and out, right? You are. I'll face this way. Maybe this is better. As you're wrapping, you roll it so that it doesn't pop back the other way. Same thing is true with overhand version. You roll it so that it sits on your hand rather than popping off. So you want to roll into, I mean, once again, just like what we were talking about with the underhand version where you're going in, out, and you wrap, it's the same thing with overhand. You want to go out, in, wrapping, wrapping, unwrap, unwrap, wrap, 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 unwrap, 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 wrap, 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 unwrap, 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 wrap, wrap, unwrap, wrap, unwrap, wrap. Right? And practicing moving in and out, changing between the wrapped and the unwrapped each time. Have you done these things where you wrap and then you've got your balls and you rub yourself with your balls in some way, shape, or form? Yes, totally, especially with fire. I'm a fire performer first, right? Like, I love the glow. It's super cool. Now, you would have to be careful with fire up in here with your hair. You can't rub yourself in the same way. Although, still to this day, the best applause I may have ever gotten was when I was bald. And I did one of these on my skull. The crowd was like, because it looked like my head was on fire. The head, the head, the head is on fire. No. You can turn that into like a dance move, and then because you're wrapped up, you can go into any direction, any plane that you want to at this point. So in a more intimate setting, like if you're doing a nice little seductive dance for your husband, which that looked like it would work well for, um, you could be doing these motions, and then coming out into like this sort of thing, right?